Hi my friends, how are you? I have this new perfume and it's by Lattafa Khamrah, and I will be unboxing it for you guys, and you will see, what type of experience I will be having with this perfume. Lattafa Khamrah. I noticed that there are two types of Khamrah. One, one of them is just Khamrah, and another one, there's some kind of another version of this one too, and they say that there's some sort of similarity, but there's some sort of difference with them. But I have this one, it's just the original, I guess. Khamrah. Look at the box, it's so beautiful. So Khamrah, I'll just unzip this packaging. The price of this perfume, guys, was a little bit above than normal Lattafa type of perfumes prices would be. So I paid more money for this perfume than I would pay for other perfumes. That just simply means that maybe we should expect some kind of better quality, for this particular perfume. So I really love checking, you know what? I really love, guys, checking the expiration dates, of this perfume, because sometimes you would get expired products. So expiration date is not written anywhere, which is very interesting. Oh, here. It's actually written 2028. So this perfume was made up in 2023, which is great actually. And there is these, authenticity type of stickers just to say that is real. And, this is made from wood. It's so beautiful. Let's open it right now. So we're gonna open it. Look at this beauty, isn't it? And then, guys, so what we have here is this perfume. Oh, it's falling, sorry. So it's supposed to stand kind of like this, I guess. And the beauty of the packaging is already there, guys. It says Eau de Parfum natural spray. It says 100 ml. So the quality and the luxury of this perfume, guys, is just right there. And we're gonna take it. We're gonna take it, guys. We're just gonna take it right now, and we're gonna see what we have. So this perfume looks like this, and it looks very nice, guys. The packaging, everything is nice. And let me read about it. So basically, this perfume is kind of sweet, warm, spicy, amber, vanilla, cinnamon, woody, fruity. So there's this some kind of like a special sweetness and some sort of spiciness of this perfume. Let me don't feel anything yet. Might need to spray soon, guys. So let's see what it says, guys. So aromatic spicy perfume for women and for man. And so it's 2022, launched in 2022. So it's one of the new perfume. It's pretty popular, guys, this perfume. Cinnamon, nutmeg, bergamot, and then there is dates, praline, tuberose, mahoniel. I have never had any perfume that would have dates, in the notes. So this is first perfume, guys. And then we have vanilla tonka bean, amberwood, myrrh, benzoin, akigala wood. It's interesting the way they say, And what else would they say, guys? Let me sniff it. If I smell anything, I will spray later on, guys. I start to smell something. This first sniff, even before spraying, reminds me of Lattafa Royal Blends sweetness, but I will spray soon, guys. So this perfume is unisex, so soft vanilla, and then it says there is like a citrusy freshness, bergamot, there is velvety spice, and there is delightful creamy smell of praline. Yeah, guys, it's probably that praline is what I smelled even before spraying. Basically, everything is about sweetness, some kind of tonka bean. So, like let's say by Zara, there is this nightfall, that perfume, that praline that is there. So that really reminds me a little bit of that one. But I haven't even sprayed, guys. So let me spray it in a moment. So basically, so everything is about sweetness. That's what it says. And they say it's unisex, great value type of perfume, And I'm going to probably right now, guys, simply spray it on. I have my notes here. Let's do it, guys. Let's just simply do it. Let's just spray it on just to feel exactly what it is. Mm-hmm. When I laugh, and when I laugh and when I smile, that means I'm pleasantly kind of surprised and happy about perfume. And it would be something, to tell that I like the perfume. So basically, so what I smell is people were mentioning about some kind of alcoholic liquor smell. Was it cognac or something? It's as if it would be some kind of the sweet type of alcohol drink. Is it cognac or something? And then of course cinnamon. So there is that citrusy opening. They call it as a bergamot. To me, I don't know bergamot, citrusy type of thing. Cinnamon, nutmeg. So a lot of sweet things, guys, going on. This type of sweet alcohol, very pleasant drink mixed with cinnamon, praline, dates, vanilla, and that citrus there hitting quite a lot, and those other notes that it says here is not much feelable, but those sweet notes. So as I said before, royal blends was first type of thought that it came up, but now after spraying it, that royal blends disappear now, from Lattafa. Not exactly, guys, but it's really nice, pleasant. Reminded me a little bit of this by the fragrance world, that Amber Eve, that perfume reminded me of that one. It's really that type of perfume reminded me. And this perfume, sometimes they say it might not be good to use it every day, but for special occasions. That's what I heard people say, and it could be right. Probably you wouldn't want to wear it like every day, and maybe it would be great that this perfume would disappear, after you spray. It's really sweet, but after probably it would tone down a little bit, and you would have this type of nice skin scent that would be sweet and very pleasant, guys. Really nice, guys, really nice. There's not a lot of freshness apart from coming from that citrus little bit, but it would be sweet type of perfume, that's what I would like to say. Pleasant, guys. Remind me of that Amber Eve or that Dupe for Grand Soir, Dupe for Grand Soir, but in different way, mixed with other type of notes that would be in a different way and maybe even more wearable. So that's another, guys, cozy perfume that we have. This perfume will be very cozy for you to wear, and you will be pleasantly surprised, and it could be perfume that would get a lot of compliments. I will check it myself later on, guys. I will come back to you another time. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye, guys.